we are a smart home team, and this is our product. We have implemented many features in this product. In this project, we have used pretty much sensors. We have used the RFID reader, servo motor, LED light strip, infrared sensors, and magnetic door sensor, pressure sensor, and also a motion sensor. By using this sensor, we can implement many features. We use the IR sensor to determine if the person is going in or out of the room, and we can check the number of people in the room, so we can decide when to switch on and switch off the lights automatically. By using the pressure sensor, we can detect if a person is going to sleep, and if the person closes his room door, which the magnetic door sensor detects the door is closed, and the pressure sensor detects the person is sleeping on the bed, we will pop up a notification on the mobile app for a user to decide whether we should switch off all the lights in the house or not. Let's talk about the most interesting feature of our product. In our product, I think our most interesting part is the mobile app. With our mobile app, we can monitor our number of people in the room, and we can control the lightings, including their on and off.
Yeah, also about the Bluetooth is, for me, is interesting because we use the Bluetooth to have multi-device communication. So the different MCU, we use the Arduino, can communicate with, or such as transfer the data in between, so they can get the data and send to the mobile app, so we can see the house and whether the light is on or off and the people in the room. So I think this is very interesting. And for our project, I think the Bluetooth is really hard for us because we are the first time to use the Bluetooth to do this, such as the project, or use Bluetooth to have the multi-communication. And Bluetooth mostly use one-to-one communication, but in our project we need to one-to-many communication. So that is really hard for us, and so we need to find some way to deal with that. So, and that takes a lot of time for us to deal with. So yeah, Bluetooth is hard for us.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think that it's excluding Bluetooth, we have a very big issue with the version control. Version control is critical for us.
Yeah.
I think that when we are doing some large projects, when it involves many codes, it is better for us to have version control, as we may have some codes tested and confirm it can work perfectly. And when we want to build some new feature onto it, we would like to have version control, as we may mess up our perfectly working codes easily. And by having version controls, we can return to our point that this is working perfectly and restart our new feature. So that will save us a lot of time to debug or to rewrite all the programs.
Yeah, such as like Jack say, the version control is very important, and so we learned that we must have a clear version control for big project. I would say that, and also in this competition, although on the project, I also learned about how to do with the multi MCU control, and also have more experience about how to coding the Arduino IoT and to deal with the different sensor. Yeah, so yeah, I learned that.
So in this competition, I have learned how to use a mobile app to control a physical thing. Like we can use the mobile app to control the LED light strip to control its on or off. This is my pretty first time to do such a thing.
Yeah, I also want to say that I learned Bluetooth. Yeah, for this project, learn how to use the Bluetooth and their communication. So yeah.